Hi everyone, I'm AB and I review AI tools. So, today in this video, I am testing Kling 2.6 audio by Higgsfield, which is an AI model that generates video, voice, and ambience together in one single workflow. So, and I know one common problem most people face with AI video tools, and that is usually they give you the visual first, and then you are stuck figuring out the voices, sound effects, and syncing everyone manually. Now I'll show you the platform live. So do a proper hands-on demo inside Xpert and also explain where this tool actually makes sense for creators, marketers, and teams or any other content creators, etc. So come to Google and search for Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield AI. It will open the Higgsfield. So click on this and then I have already logged in. So if you want to log in, you can log in too. Or just provide the email ID and they will send a code and verify that as well. Okay, let me show you how this actually works. Let's go for video generation. Click on create video. So it will go to video creation. Next. So I have already written a prompt. I will delete that. So now we are in the video generation tool and here you can see all the options that you can use, like you can also upload the image and you can write the prompt and use the audio option. If you are not using the audio option, then the video there will be no audio in the video, just the video will be generated without audio. And if you click on, it will generate the audio. And the model I am currently using is Kling 2.6. So if you click here, you have multiple options: Speed, Minimax, OpenAI, Sora 2, Google View, where I am using the Kling 2.6, which is the latest version that you can use. And I am also using 10 seconds duration and the aspect ratio is 16.16 is to 9, which is for YouTube or long form video generators. For short form videos, you can use 9 is to 16. So I have already written the prompt. I will copy paste that here. I have pasted the prompt, which is a confident professional presenter explaining the new AI video platform, speaking clearly with a natural expressive voice. So voice is very important here. So we are telling it with natural expressive voice. The presenter maintains steady eye contact with the camera and a realistic facial expression and smooth lip synchronization. The set or the scene is set in a modern studio environment with soft cinematic lighting, shallow depth of a field, and a clean, minimal background. The camera movement is subtle and stable with gentle pushing motion. The tone is informative, calm, and trustworthy. Natural room ambience is present with no background music. So we are not using the background music, just using the audio, normal audio that we talk like right same. High realism and smooth motion, accurate timing between voice and visuals, full 1080p quality. So I have written it and I have used the audio option Kling 2.6 model, which is the latest version, and I have used that. And it uses the native audio style, and also it will take 20 credits for it. Let's click on generate. You can see here it is in queue, and when it is generated, it will show like this. You can click here and watch it. Let's wait for few seconds. Before that, I will tell you one thing, that is Higgsfield offers unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for users subscribed to the ultimate plans. If you are using the ultimate plans, then you can get ul- multiple, not just multiple, unlimited usage for the Kling 2.6 audio generation. So use it well. Okay, it is generated now. Let's play it. Okay, I will play in full screen and you can watch that as well.
Today, I'm excited to introduce our revolutionary AI video platform. It offers unparalleled ease of use and stunning video quality.
Okay, you have watched the video. So let's go through all the features here. So here you can, I have already explained the audio, Kling, and then you can select the duration for the video as well. You have 5 seconds and 10 seconds. And there are other options. You can edit the video, draw to video, and other options. And also here you can see, you can select this, you can edit this, you can add to the favorite, add to folder, download this file. Just click here and you can download that. Next, you have share option and there are more other options for place, upscale, etc. And whatever you have written will come here. You can see here your prompt and you have used 10 seconds and the aspect ratio is 16:9 and you are generating with audio. You can also rerun that. So it will use the credits and it will create another video. So you can also generate other videos as well. I will write another prompt. You can see that I'll delete this prompt and I'll copy paste another one, which is a character delivering an emotional monologue in a realistic environment, expressive voice with natural pauses, subtle facial emotions, cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, immersive ambience, smooth camera motion, realistic performance. Let's generate this. Okay, I will play this in a full screen.
I never thought I would feel this alone. But sometimes silence is the only answer.
You can hear the pauses and the subtle movement in the voice. You have watched, right? So that is the important part in the video generation, which gives the natural tone to the video. So let's explore other options as well. So you have in the image, you can create images, generate storyboard, soul ID character, image of scale, face swap, character swap, draw to edit, and other options as well. These are the models: Higgsfield Soul, Popcorn, Nano Banana Pro. And in the video section, you can create video, edit video. You can also create ad using the URL, Sora to trends, lip syncs, draw to video, sketch to video. And these are the models you can use. These are the options. You can edit in Paint, edit video of scale, skin enhancer, angles, etc. And you can also create characters like face swap, character swap, video face swap, recast studio, and soul ID character. And you have a assist option where you can also ask here the prompt which you need, like generate a video prompt or generate soul image prompt, what you need. You can ask here and it will create it. And if you go to apps, you get other options as well. If you click here, you can go to angles, different angles of a photo, face swap, recast, how it will work, everything. You can try everything using Nano Banana and other tools as well. So let's go for pricing. I'll go for pricing. So I need to tell you in terms of value, Higgsfield currently offers some of the lowest pricing on the market, especially considering the unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation included in the higher plans like unlimited and creative. It is the win-win situation if you go for it. And always try to choose annual plan because monthly plans are always costly. Everyone knows that. And you can get up to 67% off here. And what are the features? You can check here 150 credits per month. But if you go for unlimited and the creator version, you can get many credits. Also, there is option like unlimited Nano Banana and image generation, Seed Dream 4.0 Flux, Kling, etc. So use it wisely. and there are other options as well. You can check here everything. So I have already provided the link in the description. So overall, if you are looking for an AI video tool where sound, voice and visuals stay aligned like this without extra work, you can always use the Kling 2.6 audio, which is definitely worth trying. And you will find the link to Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio in the description below. Please go and check that as well. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.